I think that Jolie MD is a product that can help you with whatever skin concern you have. My major skin concerns are uneven skin tone and texture on my cheeks and my forehead, as well as acne and beginning stages of fine lines, early aging. I had a lot of friends come and ask me what I was using on my skin. They were saying my skin looked better than ever. I heard the word glowing and fresh and youthful, all those things that every woman wants to hear right after I started using it. I plan on using Jolie MD for a long time to come. The Enlightening Lotion in Jolie MD brings this radiance and this glow to your skin, and it just kind of gives your skin this self-glow that everybody wants to have. I absolutely recommend Jolie MD. It's an amazing product. Every woman should have this product in her bathroom cabinet.